Open a new workspace by clicking New in the File tab on top left menu. Then load the sales data having 5 worksheets, namely Customer, Location, Products, Sales. It will take about 35 seconds for the data to be loaded into Power BI. Once loaded, all the tables will be visible under the Data tab on right-hand side. Then examine the data model by clicking Model View on left side. Arrange all the tables in one view for convenience. At times, the fields are wrongly connected, as in this case you can see between Location ID and Sales ID. You can correct it by clicking the link and selecting the right field in the sales table. Make sure rest of the relationship between tables are correct. Return to Report View. Let's make a new calculation table to store all our calculations by clicking New Table icon. Give the name Key Measures to this table and hit Enter. You will see a new table under Data tab on right. Select the Key Measures table and right-click to enter a new measure. Call it Total Revenue. Here we will use iterative SumX function to perform row-wise sum of product quantity multiplied by product unit price and product table using related function. The autofill support will help you as you type in the function. This is the actual power of this tool to use multiple tables in calculation. Then press Enter and congratulations, you've just made your first DAX expression. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression, a new way of performing calculation using multiple tables. Then do the formatting and drag and drop the new field onto the dashboard area. By default, you will get a bar chart. Change it to scorecard, adjust the formatting, and we are done. You can play with the formatting of scorecard while adjusting fonts of title and background colors. See you in the next lecture, where we will dive deep into the DAX expression and ultimately make a professional-looking dashboard.